So guys, real quick, to make sure you've made the necessary connection, right? If I have something like x squared plus 11x plus 30, was that a problem I gave you guys? I don't think so. Almost. Now watch. This is almost too nice to believe. That whole second row of problems should get you to realize that a trinomial like this comes from two binomials multiplied. It's just the two middle terms add together. So this is going to come from, well, x squared is x times x. But 30 could be 3 times 10, 5 times 6, right? There's a lot of things. So that's where the whole thing, it's got to not only multiply to be 30, it's also got to add to be 11. So what two numbers do that? Multiply to be 30, 5 and 6. So this would be plus 5 plus 6. Because then you get x squared plus 30 plus 5x plus 6x is 11x. Because the middle terms add, and the last term comes from those numbers multiplying. So that's why it works. If you find two numbers that multiply to be this guy, because that's what the hell they do, and add to be this guy, because that's what the hell they do, that's how you factor it. It's almost, on one level, it's almost too easy to believe, and on another level, you're like, what the shit? All right. Go for it. Yeah, now if you check it, x squared, 6x and 2x is 8x, 6 times 2 is 12, bam, 11. Beautiful. What has to be 5 in there?
X plus 2.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I'm awakened first time. That's
So just like numbers, either can't be factored, expressions.
There's always going to be like
Say price, not factorable, whatever. Same thing.
and then obviously just
There's
like
no factors
I
for that.
mean, but like whatever multiplies to this and then adds to this,
Just remind you guys that
you just put those right
I have to be careful when I make one to make sure it's going to work. If I just wrote stuff down and didn't even think about it at all, it almost will never factor. Right? Yeah, which part of the make it kind of work?
I'm just trying to like.
That was exciting.